so good. Ten of the gods. So pretty. Oh my gosh, sorry. I love the stores in here. Even though I'll never buy anything from any of them. Well, never say never, but... Mike's not gonna eat all his steak because he ate too much bread. Hey guys, just checking in here. I am leaving for home today. I spent the night here in Vegas with my husband for a little overnight stay. He has companion pass, so that means wherever. So this is what it looks like. That is the, you know, bedroom area. We slept in it, of course. So has a little desk there. I'll show you guys what the view looks like. So we've got, like, the strip is just right around this corner right here. So, and they have a monorail, but I don't want to take the monorail. I'll just take Uber. But this is our hotel right here. And there's the pool. Right now they're having like some kind of muscle universe thing going on here, convention going on, and I think like a nurse, like a medical kind of nursing thing going on too. But yeah, we're just right off the strip and we have a pool view. Normally we stay on the other side of this, so we have a strip view, which is nice, but that's okay. We got upgraded to a suite, which is nice. And that over there is a closet, and then tucked away back there is the bathroom, and then here is the living room. Got my shit everywhere. The living room area, and then over here by the door is like a little room, and it has, you know, like a little kitchenette, no stove or anything like that, but that is a-okay with me. So yeah, this is what the room looks like. Basically, it's a little like junior suite, I guess, studio suite or whatever. Pretty nice all the time, like a couple times a month. So they always give him like little perks and stuff, which is nice. But yeah, I'm gonna get changed, steam my stuff, get changed, and then hopefully I can vlog out. I'm gonna go to Coffee Bean, and that's right on the strip. And then I'll also be going to Caesar's Palace. I don't know, I just wanted to go to the Fossil there and maybe buy the new smart Fossil watch. I bought a purse there last night, and then go to Sephora and get a couple of things, you know, and play around with makeup and stuff like that. And maybe get like a cheeseburger or something from White Castle. I don't know yet. But yeah, so I will check in a little bit, guys. Bye. Technology. This one doesn't say it. Let's see what this one does. It's the same. So I'm just gonna get my little $12 one. Thanks. hot. Let me swatch it. That is what it looks like. Really gorgeous. And there is the swatch. Okay, this is number 15, and this one I am 100% getting. It is freaking gorgeous. It doesn't do it justice, but trust me, this is beautiful. Right up my alley. Here are the Givenchy liquid gloss interdit vinyl, and then the new shades for the La Rouge Perfecto. Those are those right there. That is number 3, and this one up the top is number 2. Look how pretty that is. And of course it changes with your skin color. And then that one was this one that I'm thinking of getting. So that one is number 5. That one's beautiful. Actually, I'm not going to get any of them just because I didn't think that they were what I thought they were. And this one I really want, but it's $37. It's so expensive. Very beautiful stuff he's got. Oh my god, they have Armani at this one. Giorgio Armani. Let's see, how much is it? Lip magnet, high pigment, ultra matte, weightless, 8-hour.